Hello everybody, I'm HanieB with HanieB Creation, and if you're anything like me, you're the type of person that wants to use anything and everything. You are going to want to try to keep plastics and bottles and things out of the landfill. So I'm going to use a Healthy Skin Enhancer by Neutrogena. And I love these bottles because they're great little pump outs, and because I'm an artist, sometimes I like to mix large quantities of paint, and I don't have an actual container that saves the paint well. So I decided that I would reuse Healthy Skin Enhancer bottles. They work great for paint. They also work great for lotion or travel bottles. You name it, they come in handy. So today I'm just going to show you how to take them apart and get the most out of these types of bottles. Now, I'm not familiar with all the cosmetic bottles out there because this is the one I use the most, but I'm sure that each bottle or container, you can probably find some use for it, especially if it has one of these awesome pumps. So the first thing that we're going to do is remove the labels, which is really easy. And then we're also going to clean it, but I'm going to show you how to pop it open and how to reuse it. Most people throw these things away, and I just, you know, when I come across a good reusable bottle, I think to myself, oh, this would make a great travel kit, because when you go to the store to buy travel kits, they're just little cheap bottles. What I'm going to do is pump whatever's left of this, because the fact that it mainly because I usually use the last drop. You're going to want to take this and just slide it in like so. Fits nice and easy. And then just twist to the right and it pops right off. Okay, and then take your little popsicle stick, scrape out what's left of the cosmetic inside. I also like to use a Q-tip. That works really great. I happen to have one right here. Once you get all your product out of the bottle, I have a nice clean bottle here, which I've taken apart. Oh, wait a minute. I'll show you this one. So what happens is, once the product is all pumped out, there's a little plastic piece inside right here, and this plastic piece is the pump, and it goes all the way up to the top when your product is out. So what you're going to want to do is take your stick after you've cleaned it. Make sure you thoroughly clean it with hot water, soapy hot water. Get everything, you know, all nice and clean. And then you're going to take and push this back down, all the way down to the bottom. And then take your cap and pop it back on along with your lid, and you have a nice clean pump bottle, which is ready for hand lotion, conditioner, hair conditioner. Just makes great travel bottles. They're perfect size. Anyway, this is just a great idea. Love the bottles, love Neutrogena products, and so send me comments, questions, anything you want. Let me know how it goes. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.